Hey guys, this is Dmitry, Medical here, and today I will be explaining to you what VoIP is and how it can actually help your business. Basically, Voice over IP Internet Protocol allows you to make and receive calls by using internet as opposed to the traditional cellular lines. With a VoIP system, you get an internet business number that you can forward calls from to your personal phone or perhaps landline. With a VoIP system, you can actually use either your desktop or a laptop to make and receive calls through browser or a special app. You can also, of course, use your cell phone, perhaps with a mobile app, and the desktop smartphones in your office. VoIP systems offer much more flexibility because they can be used at the office, on the go, and in general a much larger variety of situations. You don't really need to buy any additional hardware. All you need is your mobile app or perhaps a laptop. Setting up such a system is super easy. You can do it yourself in just a couple of minutes. Additionally, VoIP phone systems come with a wide array of different features that can help your small business. They include customizable call forwarding options, customizable greetings, also your business contacts book, and of course your auto attendant. Sounds great? Get Medical for a bundle of useful features and unlimited call minutes. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to drop us a note. Thank you!